Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we're going to see how to use for loop in bash script on Debian 12. Similar to other programming languages, bash shell scripting offers support for loops to accomplish iterative tasks. It allows to iterate through a specific set of statements across a range of words in a string or elements in an array. Check the OS version by using following command. Create a script using for loop by using following command. Here I will use read command. Here I will use for loop variable name as name value on to 7 do echo .txt files will be creating from 1 to 7 while running the script. Dot name which means it will increase one by one. Sleep time 1 seconds. Save and quit the file. Give the executable permission to the script file by using following command. Long list the files to check executable permission by using following command. Executable permission added. Run the script by using following command. Give the file name. The 7 file created. Long list the files to check the created files by using following command. The files created. This is the steps to use for loop in bash script on Debian 12.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.